Hello everyone, Balaganeshan Rajagopal here. Today we are going to see about the another video in passive series, how to earn secondary income in your life. Best option is stock investment. You buy and sell stocks. Buy a stock and keep it for a longer period and sell it at good profit. Stocks with more than 25% returns on investment in just last 7 days. Huge profit for those who have invested in these stocks. At the 21st position, Lahoti Overseas Limited current value is 38.1 and returns is 25%. At the 20th stage, Avanca Technologies Limited current market share 1.74, again returns 25.15. At the 19th level, Sachmo Holdings Limited 3.47 is the share value and 25.72 in 7 days. 18th position, GVK Power and Infrastructure Limited 11.95, 25.79%. At the 17th position, Ruchi Infrastructure Limited current market price is 13.4 and 7 days returns is 26.42. 16th position, Bisil Plas Limited 2.43 is the share value, 7 days returns 26.56. 15th position, MSP Steel and Power Limited market price 17.1, 7 days return 26.67%. At the 14th position, Kisan Moldings Limited market share 15.84 and 27.48% of returns. At the 13th position, we have Containi Technologies Limited 89.2 is the share value, 27.50 is the percentage. At the 12th position, HMT Limited current market price is 46.4 and the 7 days returns is 27.51%. At the 11th position, Chemtech Industrial Values Limited share value is 49 and 7 days return is 27.54%. At the 10th position, Nanavati Ventures Limited 57.8 is the share value, 7 days returns is 27.56. At the 9th position, we have Modern Insulators Limited current market price is 79.2, 7 days returns 27.59%. At the 8th position, we have Jetmall Spices and Masala Limited current market price is 23.8 and the 7 days returns is 29%. At the 7th position, DCM Limited market share is 87 and 7 days returns is 31.15%. At the 6th position, Globe Textiles India Limited share price 25.75, 7 days returns 33.72%. At the 5th position, Kothari Fermentation and Biochem Limited 73.53 is the share value and the percentage of growth is 37.72%. At the 4th position, we have Casar India Limited current market price is 30.72 and the returns are more than 45%. At the 3rd position, Omaxe Limited 75.7 is the share value, 55.12% is the returns. At the 2nd position, we have Lakshmi Automatic Looms Works Limited 1975 share value, 60.68% is the percentage of returns. And in the number 1 position, Bed Mudda Industries Limited market current price 120 and the returns is 62.15%. Huge profit. Those who have invested in these stocks just 7 days before, they would have got huge money, huge profit. Great. That's the power of trading. Follow us regularly for the update and share. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. Balaganesan Rajagopal. The end. Bye bye.